A lot of you out there. This is awesome. We're super excited too. Thank you all for coming to OneDrive, Outlook, Teams, and Office 365 better together. My name is Ethan Shernan. I'm a product manager on OneDrive.
And I'm Kate Kishevde. I'm also a product manager on the OneDrive team.
We're super excited here to be talking to you guys today about how OneDrive powers files experiences across Office 365. We're going to show you 3 scenarios today outside of the OneDrive apps that should really show you how easy it is to work with files no matter where you are in Office 365. So hopefully you guys are excited as we are. Just before we do get started though, actually, I wanted to get a quick sense of the audience, and there are a lot of you here. So how many of you have ever used Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on your phone? Awesome. That's a lot of you. That's really awesome. How about Teams on the desktop? A lot of you as well. Sweet. One more. Outlook mobile? Awesome. So the good news is, since that was pretty much all of you, we're going to show you something new that will help make all of your lives better with Office 365. The first one you can already see up there, we're going to show you how you're going to be able to share securely straight from within Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on your phone. It's going to be super great. Then we're going to talk about how easy it is to access your content anywhere in Office 365, be able to preview and quickly mark up files, even in apps like Teams on the desktop. And then last, but certainly not least, we're going to talk about how there's going to be a lot of new capabilities that we're helping to bring to Outlook Mobile as well. All of this simply powered by having your content in OneDrive. OneDrive is what powers files experiences across Office 365, no matter where you are. So I know we only have a limited amount of time today to show you guys all this awesome stuff, so we came up with a little real-life scenario here that hopefully some of you all will be able to relate to walk through all this stuff.
That's right. For this scenario, I'm going to be playing the part of Deborah, who is a sales manager at this company called Contoso Electric. I've tasked my new employee, Alex, with creating a sales report and sending it out to the entire department.
All right. You see that up on the screen there? Awesome. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty big deal for me. I'm kind of new to the company, and I'm a little nervous, I'm not going to lie, but thankfully I have the power of Office 365 to help get my work done. So I'm here on my Samsung Galaxy S9 here. Like I said, I'm a little nervous. I'm on the bus on the way to work. I got this big report I need to get done. So I feel like I could use some maybe last-minute feedback on the report before I send it out to everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and find my document. I'll open up the OneDrive app. I'll very quickly scroll to where my sales plan is. There it is. Great. And then using this helpful button right down here in the bottom right, I'll tap. Takes me right into Word, which is great. I can go ahead and use the Word app to make any sort of quick edits or anything like that if I need to. So for example, I made a little typo here earlier. It should be local copies, not copy. Super easy to make quick and easy edits like that, which is great. But of course, like I said, I'm a little nervous. I could use some more feedback. So I'm going to share this with my manager so that they can give me any last-minute comments or tips I might need to get my job done. I can do this without leaving the Word app at all. I can tap the Share button in the top right-hand corner here and watch closely. What you see here actually might look a little familiar to you, but maybe not in the context of the Word app. This is actually our unified sharing dialog experience that you will see in Word, Excel, PowerPoint on your desktop, on the web, and in OneDrive on the desktop, web, and mobile experience. Basically, wherever you've ever worked with a file, you'll see this sharing experience. We're super excited about this for a couple of different reasons. Number one, your users only have to learn how to share once, and they apply all of those learnings everywhere. We know sharing can sometimes be a little confusing and tricky, but we also know how important it is for your users to get it right. And so we've made this experience easy to learn everywhere immediately. For example, I might have already worked with this on, let's say, Word on the desktop, and I know that I want to be able to make sure only people inside my company can use this. I'll remember that, hey, if I tap on this anyone with this link can edit button here, I get all the different permission levels, just like that. They look the same no matter where I'm working with my file. Furthermore, because this is the same experience everywhere, all of the default policies and permissions you put in place to keep your content secure are applied everywhere immediately, no matter where your users are using your content. This is super important because we know how important it is to keep your content secure, and not everyone's going to understand how to do that right away. So we make it super easy and convenient to have all of your policies put in place everywhere, no questions asked. Come on, that's got to be a little bit exciting, right? Awesome. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and tap people in my organization. Like I said, I only want people inside my company to be able to view this. I'll click Apply. And then at Contoso Electric, our little company here that we've made up, we use Teams to get work done together. So we made it super easy right from inside the sharing experience to go ahead and share that out to someone in Teams. So I tap the Teams button here. It's going to create a link with all those permissions and policies being applied behind the scenes. I can go ahead and tap my manager's name at the top. And just like that, a link is pasted inside of the message, ready to go. No problem. I can go ahead and send that. And just like that, I was able to share right from within Word. No problem. Super excited to be talking about, rolling this sharing dialogue inside Word, Excel, and PowerPoint Mobile over the next coming months. So please stay tuned to your apps for updates. All right, let's see what that looks like on the other end.
So hopefully you can see the team screen in a moment.
Got a lot of devices here. A lot of places you can work with files in Office 365, so we got to make sure we show them all.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I just got into the office and I've logged into Teams on my desktop. I'm wondering if Alex has had a chance to work on the document I asked him to. I see that he has sent me a sharing link. That's awesome. I click on it and it takes me into a new tab which basically loads up Office Online. Most of you are familiar with this already. You can leverage the full power of Office Online here. You can view the document, edit it, leave comments, all of that good stuff. But we wanted to show you what this experience would look like if Alex had instead sent me an attachment to the same document versus a sharing link. So in the interest of time, we have pre-shared the same document as an attachment. If I click on Executive Summary, it basically loads up a nice preview in line within the Teams app. Here, I can quickly page through the document. I can even jump to a specific page that I care about, and it's really fast. I can zoom in, zoom out, all of that good stuff. This is powered by the file preview technology that we support. We have file previews for more than 300 different file formats. And the best part about file previews is that to open these files, you don't really need any additional software. You don't need to download these files. They just open up in line in the context of the app that you're using. We've supported file previews for a while now on SharePoint Web, OneDrive Web, Teams Web, and Teams Desktop. So some of you may have played with this already. But today, I'm happy to announce that we also support file previews on mobile endpoints. This includes your Teams app on Android, your OneDrive app on iOS, and the OneDrive app on Android. So you can take advantage of these file previews there, but we have additional good news for those among you who are developers. If you're building a non-Microsoft app and would like to take advantage of file previews, you can do so now using the Microsoft Graph API. The preview API in Microsoft Graph is now rolling out and is generally available to you starting today. This document looks good overall. I'm just going to zoom back to 100%, flip back to the first page. I remember that Alex has specified the scope for this document. It'll be nice to also know what's not in scope and be explicit about that. So I want to leave a comment. I can just hop to the edit mode within Teams, and Word Online loads up right here in line within the app without throwing me into a new tab and making me lose context. Here, I can just select the word scope, say new comment, please add non-goals as well. And just like that, I hit send, and Alex gets an email notification. So this was the experience for a Word application. But like I said before, we support previews for more than 300 different file formats. And these include Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, DICOM medical images, 3D, audio, video, images, the list goes on. And we know that many of you here use file formats like 3D to get your work done. So in this case, Alex had pre-shared with me this 3D file showing the factory layout. I can open it up as a preview and interact with it inline within Teams, just like I was interacting with an Office document. So back to the scenario. I've sent some edits in the document for Alex. Let's see what happens next.
All right, awesome. You don't even have to leave Teams. Everything's right in there if you guys want to use that, which is really cool. So now, I'm going to go ahead and switch over. And, not yet. There we go. So now I'm on my iPhone. And quick question. For those of you out there that said you used Outlook Mobile, how many of you have ever tried to attach a file to an email? Only a couple of you. Oh, there's a little bit. That's cool. And also, how many of you went to Jeff Teeper or Lori Wright's keynotes earlier this week? Okay, so Jeff kind of stole my thunder here, but that's okay. We'll show it anyway, which is cool. So, lost my screen. Oh no. There we go. It's back. Cool. So, the last part of this, of course, is I need to go ahead and actually send this document out to everybody. And I can do that really easily using my favorite mail editing app, Outlook. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Outlook. And again, I'm on my iPhone here. And I'm going to go ahead and start a mail. I have some sample text to give a little bit of context here. I'm just going to say sample. But of course, the most important part about this particular mail is the file that we've been working on everywhere in Office 365. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the Attach button here, and then pick Attach File. And what you'll notice is our brand new file picking experience inside of Outlook Mobile. If you haven't seen this before, this is a little bit different than what we've had previously. At the very top, you're going to see the recent files you've been working on. And since this is powered by Office 365, these are the recent files you've been working on everywhere with any application in Office 365. Whether or not it's previewing a file in Teams like we had earlier, or maybe editing an app in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or even attaching a file in some other Outlook endpoint, it'll show up here in the recent file list. Super excited about that. It's also leveraging the same technology that powers recent file lists in other applications in Office 365 as well. That means if your users are expecting a certain file there because they saw it in Word, for example, or maybe they were attaching a file in Outlook on the desktop and expect the file to show up there, they should see it here too. It's going to be super easy for users to predict which files are going to show up here as long as they've been using Office 365 elsewhere. But of course, you have access to all the other files that you work with in Office 365 too. At the bottom here, I have my whole entire OneDrive I can go look into, recent files again, email attachments that might have been sent to me. And these three unique entries here are actually document libraries in team sites that I've been working with. So if I'm collaborating with other teams inside the company, I have full access to all the files that we all work on together, which is really, really cool. At the bottom, of course, I also have access to files on this device if I care to share them. But we have some extra special things to do with files that are actually in the cloud. So I know for this particular document that I want to share, I'm going to browse through my OneDrive. So I'm going to click Files. My entire OneDrive loads up just like that. Just like you saw in the sharing dialog, this is the same experience that your users should be used to in the OneDrive app. So they learn how to do it once, they learn how to browse and look for files once, they apply it everywhere, easily, no questions asked. I scroll down to the same sales plan folder, tap that, and there's my file, easy. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this, but watch closely at what happens. See, it's actually a link. But what's really, really cool about this link, under the hood, is that we're actually making it respect all of the tenant default policies that you've put in place to keep this content safe. So it's super easy to do for your users, but it's super secure for all of the policies and permission that you've put in place to make sure this stuff is safe. We think this is going to be really great for users because it's going to be super easy for them to find, but obviously super important to keep it all secure. So just like that, I've found my file, put it into mail. There's a link that anyone can get access to. and I can go ahead and fill in some emails and send it off. Did you like that? Cool. All right. So we're super excited to be talking about this, and we're hoping to roll this out by the end of the year. So please do stay tuned for updates to your Outlook mobile app. Let's kick it back here for a little bit of recap.
Switching back to the presentation. All right, to recap, to get a consistent integrated experience for your files across Microsoft 365, put your files in OneDrive. It is super easy and secure to share your files from the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint mobile apps using the unified sharing dialog. It is super quick and lightning fast to view your files from the Teams app, whether on the web, desktop, or mobile. And finally, we have made it really efficient for you to pick files using the unified picking experience from your Outlook mobile phone, so you can make attachments really easily. Most of these scenarios are already available to you. If not, they will be by the end of the year. For instance, file previews on mobile are already available, but you'll start seeing the full breadth of the 300+ extensions by the end of the year. If you'd like to see these demos again, or if you have questions, we'll be here after a while, but you can also stop by the booth, and one of us or our colleagues will be happy to assist you.
Thank you all so much for coming. We on the OneDrive team know how important it is for you to work with the applications you want to work with, so we try and bring the best files experiences everywhere, no matter what. If you want to do any more in-depth work with OneDrive, we still have a couple more topics. I know it's almost the end of the day Wednesday, but we still have a bunch more for you guys. So please do take time to check out any of these or talk to us at the booth. And then, of course, if you have any feedback, please do take the time to evaluate it. We'll be up here for a few more minutes if you have any last-minute questions. Thank you all for coming. Really appreciate it.